What's up, fam? It's your boy DKG72 and welcome to another episode of How to Draw Black Hair. This is the series where I go over my tips and tricks for drawing black hair that will hopefully make you a better artist. Hopefully. That's my hope anyway. I'm trying my best. Hopefully you guys are liking it. If you're new to the channel, I'd just like to say what's up, and I hope you like this video so much that you'll hit the like and the subscribe button, and wouldn't that be dope? It really would be dope. It really would be. Anyway, with all that said and done, let's get into the video. Let's go. Hey guys, before we get started, I just want to make sure that you guys are liking and sharing the video all over the internet. That's going to help the channel grow, and it kind of lets me know what kind of content to keep bringing to you guys. One more time, if you guys are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, especially if you like this video, which I think you will like. Alright, let's get into the video and let's talk about long hair, don't care. I love this title, I really do. But anyway, to the video. So when I'm drawing black women with long hair, I really have three elements I'm focused on: shape, volume, and flow. So let's talk about shape. What you want to do is you want to draw the general shape of the hair's look. For example, on a young lady with braids, I made sure to keep my guidelines close to her scalp, but as the braids flowed off to the right, I made sure to draw the curvature they were to follow. On my drawing of Taraji, I made sure to get the general shape of her hair as it sat higher on her scalp. For the girl with the curly hairstyle, I purposely kept my contour lines loose to emulate her free-flowing style. Drawing out the shape of the hair first really allows you to get a feel for it and leads into my next point, which is the volume. The volume is how the hair fills the space around your head. On the girl with the braided hair, even though she has a bunch of braids, it looks like a million, but it's not. Even though she has a bunch of braids, because the hairstyle is tightly braided, it's really married to her scalp, and the hairstyle doesn't have the same volume as Taraji's, whose hair is in a perm, and it looks much fuller. And when you look at the young lady with the curly hairstyle, whew, she has way more volume than the other two ladies. It's just a lot. Nailing the shape is good, but really nailing the volume of the hair is what sets you up for success, because it helps give the head its defining shape. Alright guys, so you got the right shape, you got the proper volume. What about the last element? Well, if you got the first two right, the flow should fall right into place. This is where you go inside and you use sweeping line weights and shadows to fill in the hair. Now, I never want you guys to draw each individual strand of hair, but a proper use of lines and shadows will make the hair look like it's flowing perfectly. Also, you want your lines to follow the curvature of the shape. Hair grows from the scalp and flows to the back, so your lines should also follow suit and flow towards the back. Or in the case of my girl with the braids, the hair flowed to the right side and over the shoulder. I made sure to keep the flow consistent so that the hair looked neat and proper. Even the girl with the curly hair, as wild as it may look, I made sure to keep my lines going towards the back, and even the interior lines and shadow follow suit. Alright guys, I hope those tips will help you out when you're drawing our sisters with long hair. Remember, shape, volume, flow, and you will nail any long hairstyle you come up against. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share this all over the internet. Now, this is like my third time saying this. But if you're new here and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and help grow the family. Everybody, also make sure that you're hitting the bell icon to let you know when I post up a new video. That's how we defeat the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you want to get in touch with me, I can be reached on Twitter and Instagram at DKG72. I have a Facebook fan page and a TikTok that's DavidGordon72. And if you really like what you're seeing and you want to support the channel, I have a Patreon. The link is in the description below. Hit that link, choose a tier, help us out. That's how it works. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm really enjoying doing this series. And if you have any suggestions, any comments, hit me in the comments, let me know. And we're gonna go from here. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.